Greetings. Today we're going to talk about how to make a down quilt. In this case, it's a quilt for a toddler with some room to grow. Let's get started. That little jacket you saw there was the first attempt at a sewing project of a down sleeping system for my son. I just made it out of a jacket I found on the side of the road. Totally didn't work. Which is why we're going to get Space Western on this and make a product that's never been made before for a child like this and sold commercially. So this one's going to be much more legitimate. Lastly, we have a cell nylon ground sheet integrated into the quilt to hold the occupant on their sleeping pad. 3 ounces of goose down. These are the feathers on the goose that keep them warm.
An animal product, very nice for lightweight backpacking. So my strategy is to be in a tent that holds the down in a contained area, small contained area. We'll stuff it in, we'll scoop it from the bag into this container, and then we'll stuff it into the baffles like that. This goes into that hole and pushes the down out into its home. So I have 6 baffles on the quilt itself, and then 2 on the foot box, and 3 ounces of down in 2 bags. So pretty much gonna put 2 bags in the like top part of the quilt, and then just a little bit in these foot bags. So I have 6 baffles on the quilt itself, and then 2 on the foot box, and 3 ounces of down in 2 bags. So pretty much gonna put 2 bags in the like top part of the quilt, and then just a little bit in these foot bags. Let's get started.
Now that we're done stuffing the down, it is time to sew the baffles closed. So we're going to do this for the foot box. We're going to do this for the bottom part of the quilt, which is just a rectangle. We're going to sew those 2 pieces together, and then we're going to sew the ground sheet portion onto the quilt. And after that, we're going to sew grommets on. The grommets will be made out of shoelaces, and they will be used to tie P-cord underneath the ground sheet and connect one side of the quilt to the other side of the quilt so that it is perfectly cocooning the occupant's body. At this stage in the process, we're ready to do some testing before we move on to our grommet sewing and just kind of clean up process. Cutting all the loose ends off all the threads, that sort of thing. Side by side, we can see the synthetic REI kids sleeping bag and the new down quilt we have. Let's go ahead and weigh these guys and see what the weight difference is. So this quilt's going to come in right around 400 grams. And the REI synthetic bag is going to be 1,200-ish grams. So just about 800 grams or close to a kilo, close to 2 pounds of savings of weight in this build. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you around.